Hey everyone, here's a question on square and square root. The question is, find the smallest square number divisible by each of the following or each of the number 8, 9 and 10. So what they're asking is, we have to find out the smallest square number. Square number means perfect square number they're talking about, which is divisible by 8, 9 and 10. So in general, when we have to find out the smallest number which is divisible by this 3 number or 2 number, like in this question they have given 3 number, we have to find out the least common multiple, that is a LCM we have to find out for this 3 number. So first we're going to find out that number which is divisible by this 3 number, that is we're going to find out the LCM of 8, 9 and 10. So LCM of 8, 9 and 10 will be, so this is 8, 9 and 10. Now 8 and, like I'm going to start with 2. So 2 4s are 8, 9 doesn't go, so I'm going to drop the 9 in the next step. Then 2 5s are 10. Now we have 4 here, it is divisible by 2, so 2 2s are 4. Then 9 doesn't go and 5 also doesn't go, so write down this in next step. Again we have 2, so 2 1s are 2. Then we have 9 and then we have 5. Right? Then next we have a 9, so 3 3s are 9 and then we have 5. Or we can directly take 9 here instead of taking 3. You can directly take a 9 and you can do it. So let me take a 9 and do it here. So this is 9 1s are 9 and then we have 5. So 5 1s are 5. Okay. Now here in this step also, instead of taking 2, you can directly take 4 because there's no other number which is divisible by 2 except 4. So instead of taking 2 here, 2, like I have divided this with 2, you can directly take 4 and do it. In both the ways you're going to get the same answer. Now let's multiply these numbers. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 9s are 72, 72 5s are is 360. So LCM of 8, 9 and 10 is 360. So 360 is a number, it's the smallest number which is divisible by 8, 9 and 10. But the question here is, find the smallest square number. So they're talking about the perfect square number. So is a 360 perfect square number? It's not a perfect square number, right? So let us check it out that we're going to do again a prime factorization. We're going to do the prime factorization of this number. That is, we're going to find out the prime factors of this number. So I'm going to do a division method here. I'm going to divide this 360 with the prime numbers and check the prime factors of this number. So we have a 360, divide this with 2. So 2 1s are 2, 1 is a remainder, that makes the number 16. So 2 8s are 16, then 2 0s are 0. We got 180, divide again with 1 divide again with 2, so 2 9s are 18, then 2 0s are 0. We got 90, again divide this with 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 is a remainder, that makes the number 10, then 2 5s are 10. We got 45, this goes in 3, so 3 1s are 3, 1 is a remainder, that makes the number 15, so 3 5s are 15. Again 15 we got, so 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Now we can check if this given number is perfect square or not. So 360 is equal to, write down all the prime factors what we got here, all this number. It's 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now if this given number is perfect square number, the prime factors will always be in a pair. You can see that this 2 is forming a pair, 3 is forming a pair, but there's a no pair for 2 and 5. Yeah, which means 360 is not a perfect square number. Then how to find out the smallest square number? How to find out the smallest perfect square number? For that, if I multiply with another 2 and 5, because this 2 and 5 need to be in a pair, right? So there's a shortage of 2 and 5. So we're going to multiply 2 and 5. I'm going to multiply extra with 2 and 5 on both the side. You should not do only on one side of the equation, do on both the side. So here also with 360 I'm going to multiply 2 and 5. Okay, that is 5 2s are 10. So 10 into 360 is 3600. And I'm going to rewrite this again. It's 2 into 2 into, so this 2 is getting multiplied, so we'll get 4 2s here, then 3 into 3, and we are multiplying with extra 5, so 5 is also in pair. Now you can see that all numbers are in pair after multiplying with 2 and 5, which means this number 3600 is a perfect square number, and we can find out the square root of this number. But they're not asking here, they're just asking what is the smallest square number. Square number means perfect square number, so smallest perfect square number or square number is 3600. That's it. This is what we have to find out. So what we did from in this question, first you're asking us to find out the smallest square number. So we have to find out the LCM of this three number. After finding out the LCM, we got number 360, right? If this number is a perfect square number, we don't have to do the second step. But 360 is not a perfect square number. We have just checked by taking the prime factorization. So this number is not perfect square number. So we made it perfect square number by multiplying with 2 and 5. And why we multiply with 2 and 5? Because they are not in pair. We have to multiply with a number which is not in pair, so that the number will become, like, the numbers will be in a pair, and the number will become perfect square. So we have multiplied on both the side with 2 and 5, so the number will become 3600. So answer is 3600. So therefore 3600 is the smallest perfect square number or square number. So that's it. I hope this question is clear. In case you have further questions or doubts, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.